Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this article. Basically stated that AT&T strikes a lucrative new deal with growing Tesla competitor. So we're probably going to be wondering, like, who is Tesla competitor, right? So let's go down and let's find out. So it is Rivian. So it's a company based in Irvine. It's an American company, and we're gonna take a look. We're gonna go to the website and to find out, really see what Rivian is, because maybe some of you guys who doesn't know what Rivian is. So Rivian, they're an American company. They're known for their adventure trucks like the R1T and the R1S, and they're really nice, and they're considered like a luxury company, and I think they're more successful than Lucid. They're making their goal, and they're doing everything right, and they're also gonna have their a lower model coming up pretty soon with another factory. So this is it. So this is the R1T, right? So I think it's starting about $80, and it goes up to about $100 depending on the options that you want. Okay, and this is the R1S. So this one, excuse me. So this one has a 7 or 8 seaters minimum. All right, so this one, it's really nice. So if you guys never heard about Rivian, you should check them out. And because I myself, I think that they do make nice vehicles. And my son and I, we actually like this right here, the R1S. It's awesome. But yeah, it's really nice. You want to check it out. And take a look at, so we should talk a little bit about the stock as well too. So the stock price increased about 13.97%. That's like almost 14%. As soon as the announcement from AT&T came out with the CEO. All right, and a while back, I'll show you the pictures of what they actually do. They not only make those R1T and R1S, they also make electrical vans. So these is 100% electric, okay guys? So we'll take a look here. So back in 2019, they had Amazon was I think like a big investor in Rivian, and they also strike a deal, like a 4-year deal with them, where they make the delivery vans for Amazon. Basically, this is like last mile delivery. So now that the contract has ended, so it gives Rivian all the rights to just produce vehicles for anybody that wants it. So basically, AT&T is looking into getting, or they already signed an agreement to get the R1T, and they're gonna get these vans right here. So I'm thinking eventually Walmart, Costco's, or any local stores, they're gonna want these kind of vehicles, because, you know, basically you just want to, everything's gonna be EV. So all right, so let's go back to the article and we're gonna take a look at it. So here we are. The article says right here, bill terms expire. So that's this. They just talked about the Amazon deal that ended in November 2023. So basically last month. So now, and basically they just signed a contract, and this is what it's gonna look like. You know, the AT&T van. So maybe Verizon will sign up on this. Maybe T-Mobile. Who knows? But the opportunity is out there for Rivian. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you find this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in a comment below. But other than that, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.